How to design a reveal scrolling effect in Wix. In order to do that, what we can do is we can just find in here an element that we will apply it to. I have in here this image, so I just need to click on that and then click on this icon right here, which is animation. Once we have done that, we can see in here some animation. So let me just hide or this entrance and then let's expand this scroll. Now in here, you just need to find the reveal option. Just scroll down until you can find it right here. So it actually has a lot of options right here. We have in here the reveal. And now it will also show you an animation or a preview of what it looks like as well. And you can customize to your liking. So when viewers actually scroll up or scroll down from this picture, it will apply to that. But I can see it right now because I'm just editing it. But once it's been published, it should be good to go. So that's how you design a reveal scrolling effect in Wix. Hope we helped.